baby girl, I got you. If you dey fall, I go got you. Them other girl, alright, but them not you. Let me stick by you like tattoo. Don't worry about no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloé. If you don't know me, well, today you're gonna know me. Okay, that's so true. I'm not forcing anybody to get to know me. If you want to know me, you can stay for a video. If you don't want to know me, well, I will see you another time. My name is Chloé. For those of you who don't know me, welcome to my channel. All the new subscribers, welcome to the fam. So today I'm gonna be doing a hair review, well, an initial hair review. I like to say initial so you know that's my first time. Ooh, I see a boy. Who that? Sorry, I was getting distracted because my window right there and I can see the road, so there's always be marked when people are passing up and down. My initial review might be different from my final review or my updated review. So put the hair on my head, I wear it for a few days or a week or two, and then I come back and I update you, let you all know how the hair has been holding up. So today's video is sponsored by HeyMyWig. This is the package that it came in. It's a nice box. The box is like really good quality. Like I can actually like store stuff in the box when I'm done with it. On the side of the box has all of the information right here: email, their WhatsApp, website. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. This is the wig, and then a little goodie bag, a stocking cap, which I already have one on because I did my ball cap off camera, so I don't need a stocking cap, but they send you a stocking cap, some hairpins or bobby pins. I don't know what the difference. Oh, my nails, what's that black thing on my nails? That really looking good. So what's that? That's glue. An elastic band, so you could add an elastic band to your wigs in the back like so for extra security if you want your wig to fit a little more snug. You also sent me a comb. It has one wig comb and two wig clips. I think it's called a wig grip. Basically I have one, you know, but I never use it. This has multiple purposes, so it can be used as a wig grip where you put it under your wig and you put your wig on top to keep the wig from sliding back, but I don't like it for that. Like the color is off and I feel like it will show. You could also use it like when you put your wig down to lay your edges down like so, or to keep your edges down, to keep your edges intact. So for the wig, it comes in wig bag. It says HeyMyWig. It has their number, their email, you know, typical stuff. The wig specs right here, and it's a 360 deep wave lace wig, 150% density, and it's 613 blonde. 613. Oh! Oh my god! Okay, so this is the inside. A 360 lace wig, has lace all around, has wig combs. It has the adjustable straps so you can adjust it to make it fit a little more snug, and if it's not snug enough, that's where you would go in with the elastic band and you sew the elastic band on the inside of the wig. Let's try it on. I actually really wanted a 180% density, but they didn't have, so I just took the 150. I'm hoping it still works. Hold up, wait a minute. Something about a new wig does just get me so excited. Like whenever I get a new wig, I just feel like a brand new person, and I just feel so like I just feel so happy. It is already pre-plucked, so for people who don't know how to pluck, you don't really need to do anything because it already comes plucked. So if you don't have a lace tint at home, what you could do is just take some of your face powder or your foundation brush and just brush some on the inside to make it blend more with your skin tone. The product we've got is lace tint. She has 4 different lace tints: espresso, latte, mocha, and cappuccino. Espresso and mocha are way too dark for me. That's for the more chocolate girls. So my shade would be between cappuccino and latte. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch it on some tissue and I'm going to decide which shade is closer to mine. Okay, lace tint and just spray some here. Cappuccino might be too dark. Yep, cappuccino is too dark. So my shade is definitely latte. All I'm doing is just spraying some on the inside so it could like be a little closer to my skin tone. Man, make can give a real good satisfaction. Biddy bing. Oh, look at how that blends in with my skin.
Her ex-boyfriend was a mess. That boy couldn't possess us. Sweetie, now you with a
figure out where I want it to sit, and I'm going to mark it out. Exact same thing I did in my last video. I should not be repeating myself because you should have been paying attention in my last video. And if you haven't seen it, you should stop this video and go and watch it first and then come back here.
Nothing, girl, I got you. If you dey fall, I go got you. They want a girl, alright, but them not you.
This is my favorite hair glue from Product of a Goddess. Okay, Product of a Goddess. Tell her Chloe sent you. I know the main reason you're here is to figure out to see who won my giveaway. So basically, you had to answer the 3 questions. The 3 questions were:
you deserve better, make me dry your tears, I make your pum wetter.
What is my channel about? The second question was, what is my ultimate subscriber goal? Like, what is that magic number that I want to reach from to say, okay, I make it in YouTube? And the third question was, what are the 3 companies who have sponsored me and have given me discount codes, and what are the discount codes? I have my laptop right here because I screenshot the stuff and I sent to myself. The rules were the first person to answer correctly won. It's have a little bit of conflict of interest there because the person who won the giveaway, who answered the questions correctly on the first go, is none other than Johnny Paul. That's her YouTube name. So Johnny won, and I'm going to tell you why Johnny won in comparison to the other person who guessed it correctly. She said, congrats boo, your channel is basically hair, anything wig related, weaves, etc. Fashion, styling from head to toe, what's in and what's not, lifestyle, great tips and hacks for us Chloé babes, beauty, makeup, skincare and everything that works for you. Not forgetting girl chat. Your ultimate goal is 100k subscribers. Codes are as follows: Vogue Me, Chloé, Funzy, Chloé, and Best Vibe, Miss Chloé. And she got everything correct on the first go. Congrats to Johnny. I'm very happy Johnny won because Johnny has been like a loyal supporter of mine from like day one, from like back in my Sunny Acres days. If you used to come and weave your hair by me when I was living Sunny Acres, you know the hill, you have to climb the long hill to come and do your hair. Johnny used to come and do her hair after work. Yes, Johnny used to have me up all 11 o'clock in the night doing her hair. So Johnny has been a genuine supporter of mine from day one, you know, from wigs down to weaves. When I was weaving before I was even making wigs, Johnny has been supporting me, you know. So I am very happy that she won because I prayed on it and I'm like, please, I don't like going. I mean, I like going. I don't like doing giveaways, honestly, because in the past, my personal experiences with giveaway is that winners don't appreciate what they get. Like they're just so ungrateful. They're just not appreciative. Like it does not give me no taste to do no giveaway. And every year I'm like, I don't do no giveaway, and I end up doing a giveaway. But I'm happy that Johnny won because I know she's genuine and I know she'll appreciate, you know, the little gift. It's supposed to be a gift box, but it might be a gift bag. I don't know, I have to figure it out, but package or whatever I'm going to send for her, I know she'll appreciate it, because I know her personally and I know she's such a nice person. The other person, her YouTube name is Danielle George. She answered the question, but the first question was wrong. So I commented underneath it and I'm like, double check your first question, babe. That's what I told her, first question. And she went back and she changed it. Now, originally she commented first.
You got you. If you dey fall, I go got you, them other girl. Alright, but they not you, let me.
So I commented and I told her that she needed to double check the first question. So when I told her that, I was still scrolling through to see the rest of the people. Like, you know, who is close, who got the answers, who missing what answer, and trying to help you all. Basically, it almost like I was helping you all, Chichi. I kept on scrolling through and then I read Johnny's own and Johnny got everything correct. That's why I said Johnny won, because Johnny got everything correct on the first go. Everybody had the first answer wrong. Johnny was the only person who had everything correct when I checked. So I screenshotted it, and then when I came back and I double checked, I saw that Danielle had changed her first answer. Like, she updated her first answer. She commented first technically, but her first answer was wrong. But Johnny commented right after and Johnny had everything correct. In terms of the gifts, or what the gift basket is going to consist of, I'm actually going to buy some of the stuff tomorrow.
Got you. If you dey fall, I go got you, them other girl. Alright, but they not you, let me stick by you like that.
So the winner is going to be getting my favorite, one of my favorite fragrances from Bath and Body. Is called Champagne Toast. So Champagne Toast body lotion So she's gonna get this. This is one of her gifts. She's also gonna be getting a butt plug. It's brand new. You all know my channel, you know, is lifestyle, and for most of us, sex is part of our lifestyle. Butt plug. She's also going to be getting a candle, because I like candles, you know. I'm giving you all of things I like, not all of it, I give you all things that I like. I wanted to kind of like be a surprise, but I'll make it cute, don't worry.
If you the fall, I go catch you, them other girl, alright. But them not you, let me stick by you like tattoo. Don't worry about nothing, girl, I got you. If you the fall, I go catch you, them other girl, alright. But them not you, let me stick by you like tattoo. Where you wanna go, I take you there. See the body that treat you like say him don't care. You love me up.
Because I know how to pluck my wigs, and I like my wigs to look a little bit more on the natural side, I'm going to go in and pluck it a little bit again.
Why couldn't pass the test? Sweetie, now you with a G. I time for the whole matrimony. Don't worry about none, baby girl, I got you. If you the fall, I go got you, them other girl, alright. But them not you, let me stick by you like tattoo. Don't worry about nothing, girl, I got you. If you the fall, I go got you, them other girl, alright. But them not you, let me stick by you like tattoo. And let me stick by you like tattoo. And let me stick by you like.
I hate my hair to be tamed. I like my hair, unless it's a bob or straight hair, then yes. But I like my hair wild. I like it though. I really like the curl pattern.
I time for the whole matrimony. Don't worry about nothing, baby girl, I got you. If you the fall, I go got you, them other girl, alright. But them not you, let me stick by you like tattoo. Don't worry about nothing, girl, I got you. If you the fall, I go got you, them other girl, alright. But them not you, let me stick by you like tattoo. When you walk past, everybody looking at you, cause you look good from your head to your shoe. So tell her waist girl, say for more. Pretty girl, me say you deserve better. Make me dry your tears and make your pum pum wetter. Pretty girl, me say you deserve better. Diamond chain on your neck.
But I'm gonna leave it blonde for a little while, and then I'm going to dye it a color. I have a color in mind. I have two colors in mind actually, but I cannot have a 613 hair not dyed. that would not be me. I have to dye it. Just like majority of hair at first, it's really soft, you know, nice and fluffy. It's shedding a bit. Quite a bit actually, but I think it is because I plucked it. So I'm going to like just comb all of it out. Hopefully that takes away all the shedding, like all the hair from the front that I plucked out. Then again, I think it would probably shed because this is 613 hair, and the 613 hair is processed. It's so processed to the point where it has waves, so it's very weak. It's not going to be as strong as natural black hair or as 613 straight hair. Comment below and let me know what color you think I should do. And congrats to Johnny for winning. I will give something to the other winner as well. I will probably just give her a discount on a wig because she almost won. Sorry, I'm here all on. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That was sexy, wasn't it? Follow me on Instagram at misschloe.x so you can see my pictures when I post a slit. Follow me on my hair page at Belle Should Be by Chloe. Check out HeyMyWig on Instagram at HeyMyWig. Check their website out at www.heymywig.com. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a discount code for y'all. If I do get a discount code, I will insert it in the description box below. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Bear gal in the army, when we step in at the party, I wanna hook up on a yardie. Watch me.